Is there anyone that does not like fresh maize? Oh my goodness. I ran into fresh maize in the street market and come and see me rushing. I had to pack all this. One of it went for 75 cents. And honestly, I was so happy to pack them home. Okay, I love fresh maize and this is the way I love my maize. Hello, this is your girl Eka Farm. Today I would love to show you how I enjoy my maize, a fresh maize or corn from the farm. Whether roasted, cooked with beans, or boiled this way, for me, I love it this way. I just add salt inside the water and drop the maize inside and cook for just about 10 minutes and it is ready. A lot of people enjoy their maize with coconut, with pear, with granite. I love my maize with coconut, like very strong coconut. So I got a coconut from the supermarket too, and I have to crack this nut, and this is what I use to crack it. So how do you enjoy your maize? For me, this is 20/20. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're just watching us for the first time for more recipe. Thank you so much, and returning subscribers, so good to have you around. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you, our beautiful friends, wherever you're watching from. We truly appreciate you. God bless you. The maize is ready and it's gonna be a full meal. How do you enjoy yours? Full meal, boiled, roasted, or snack? Maize is good to go anytime, any day. Thank you so much.